Okay, what we having for dinner tonight? Some vegetables. Okay. In party. Dancing and we whining. Alright. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Yeah, boy. We go with this, yes? Excellent. I ain't expecting nobody. Who that? What the heck? Alright, come in. Relax. Who it is?
Me.
Who's me?
Me, man.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, sorry, my G.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, brother, I just moved on the last week, brother. But me need some help, dog, because me get one catty the other day outside in front of the building, dog. She's sexy, my G. Alright, so Mr. Chin, me need to borrow one of you, whack them or something.
Who's Mr. Chin?
I know you.
Wait, why are you looking Chinese to you? What?
I mean, brother, you look Spanishish or something. Wait, I want Trinidad flag that? This? You?
Yeah, boy, Trini to the bone.
You from Trinidad?
Yeah. Why are you looking at me and saying you?
I'm sorry, no offense, dog. I don't mean nothing but Hello? Yes, babes, how you deal with? Babes, me I get everything ready for you, you know. Yeah, babes, yeah. So, you know, eat meat? No, babes, that is not a problem, babes. You were talking to the top shotter chef here, babes. I got you. Anything you need, me can cook it here. Alright, see you later. Yeah, this is the brother. You don't eat no meat.
So you don't know how to cook the vegetable or what?
Brother, I can steam up local callaloo and them stuff. I don't know how to do the veggie thing and the vegan something. I don't know.
You lucky just knock on the right man door at the right time. I'm a chef.
Yeah, you're a chef?
Yeah, boy.
Alright, I will do it then still.
Alright, let me go, come.
Wait. I have to make sure you're not no serial killer or something, you know, because I say the first 48 and them something that you know I'm not dead body in our freezer or nothing, right? Because
but you want a girl though, right?
yeah, true. Yeah. I'm glad. Appreciate. Whoa! Oh, what a place, bud. Yo, you didn't just have on a different shirt just a while ago, dog.
What do you mean?
Dog, you're a magician or something or a chef because I'm confused.
Well, this is how I roll.
Alright. Just make sure you's not no killer man or something, dog. But just text my granny, make sure she know when me dead, dog. Alright, do your thing, chef.
Come. Let me go.
Man look like a Houdini.
Well, wow. You're lucky I was getting ready to cook before you came.
What chefy? What chef? What your name again?
Chef Ling.
Ling?
Yeah.
And you's not age. Alright, we won't get into that because alright. Trinidad, you say you's from Trinidad, so you's from Trinidad.
Yeah.
Alright, Trini to the bone. Go on.
To the bone.
Yeah.
Well, you're talking vegan, so I put out some eggplant or bygone.
Egg what? This?
Yeah.
Brother, I'm a city girl, I use this. You know what this means? You know what emoji this is?
Which emoji is that?
Brother, I'm not touch that. You have to touch that. I'm not touch that.
You're too much of a bad man?
Man, a bad man, I'm not touch that. You touch it.
But you looking for Shino?
You know, you're lucky me want some tonight. You know, you touch that, me will touch the planting. Me got this.
Okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we'll start by chopping up this.
Yeah.
And then we will season it.
So what you make, dog? Some eggplant and what? That's it? Some sauce of eggplant?
No, eggplant bake.
What? Bake what? What we baking?
It's fried bake.
So what do you mean fried bake? What's that?
It's fried bread, like bake.
Oh, so like a dumpling?
Nah, that's a dumpling. Like what's a dumpling?
A dumpling with
when you boil it.
Yeah, you know dumpling?
You make it and put it in the cup. I don't.
Anyways, dog, whatever.
Yeah.
So alright, so we are gonna do some
fried bake and jerk eggplant. That's part of your people, no?
Jerk?
Yeah.
What do you know about jerk?
I learned from the biggest Jamaican chef how to do jerk.
What class? So you know by your chefing degree you earn it.
Yeah.
That me I say chefy, you see it there? Alright, you do your thing, me I go watch and just pre the thing.
But you have to come and you learn it, so you have to do it, man. I gotta show you. I'll show you one slice and you gotta take over.
Alright, do your thing.
Alright. So
watch your man touch up the eggplant.
So, well, just be thanking me after.
Alright. If she have a sister?
Yeah, well, that's what I said.
If she have a sister, I have you know.
Alright, so first, chop off the bottom.
Yeah. Why you call it bottom so that?
What do you want to call it? Top?
Alright, go and do your thing.
What do you top? There's a top thing?
Upper part.
Upper part, okay, and lower part.
And the lower part.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright, so you top of that,
yeah.
and you want them to slice them thin. About quarter inch.
So we got dash this so we don't need this?
Well, you know.
We need this?
No, I got
Dash that way. Dash that backside. See that?
Wait, you want to throw it? Yeah?
Anyway, dog, dash away.
Alright, go
Bad
on.
man, bad man cooking this.
Alright,
Chef.
so you get a quarter inch,
Yeah.
right? And just slice them.
What chef you are? I cut dog.
Make it as even as you can.
Yeah, bad man cooking this, you know.
Alright.
Yo, where's my money there? So you have to deal with the food, you know, dog. Yo, what you do? Right? Chefy, why you do that local thing there, dog?
Yeah, well, you gotta use that so you don't cut your finger. You use your, whatever you call this, yeah?
Oh, that's the trick?
Yeah, you don't cut your
Just
finger.
no chefy.
Boom, you know?
Boom, boom. Chefy, why you give me the dull knife, Chefy?
Well, to be honest, we're not. Yes.
Why you give me... Alright, you know what? Just do me thing, dog, because Chefy...
Come in
like
how come mine come out so nice?
Chefy, me don't know, dog. I hear something this. Chefy, me not even know.
Oh, alright. Alright.
Let them know about this, Chefy.
Alright. Okay.
Where my money there? Yeah, where do you know, Chefy?
Well, first of all, you gotta finish cut the rest.
More?
Well, we only.
Chefy, what is slave labor, Chefy? Me don't know about. Chefy, me come to learn.
6 hours later.
Yeah, the girl don't like that, you know.
Yeah. You want a bear or what?
Yeah, but Chefy, I hold up on me, dog.
Well, I gotta make sure you're not a crazy person first.
Alright, what you have?
Well, I have a real bear and I have this other thing for you if you want.
So if this is, so what's the real beer?
Well, stag.
Stag?
Yeah.
Stag what? Stag is a drag, a red stripe we said, dog, but what?
What do you mean? This is the real man's bear.
Brother, a red stripe I run road around yourself. When I look at Trini beer, that what that from? Trini beer that, right?
What do you mean Trini bear? This is a stag. Real man bear. He said real man bear.
Chichim. Alright, I now say them something because 2021
Come.
Alright.
Let me open up the field. Yeah.
Respect.
Alright.
I'm about real beer. Chefy.
I have the eggplant here, bygone, that I soaked and seasoned.
Yeah.
Now, what I seasoned this with is some jerk seasoning that I made, but if you can't make it,
Yeah.
you can use a little Walker's Wood or whatever. I don't know.
You met this?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
100% sure. Yeah.
Chefy, I saw your body.
Yeah.
My body.
Alright, and I make this green seasoning too. This is from Trinidad. Have bandania, pimento.
Who met this? Your sister? Bandani? What's it? Who met that?
It's not bandani, it's bandania.
Alright, she sounds sweet still.
Alright, so all that in there, we gotta pan fry this, but let me make the bake first.
The dumpling.
No, the bake.
Anyways,
Yeah.
the beer.
Yeah, then you put this here, and we're gonna make the bake first.
It's dumpling here.
Not no dumpling.
No, that's not that. That's not that.
Alright. 2 cups of flour,
Yeah.
throw it in there.
So, alright, see there. Oh, sorry, Chefy. Sorry, Chefy. You know, man, I had to lift some weight nowadays. You know, Chefy, I don't know my strength, you know
I
that.
have Susan coming over later, so you know,
Yeah?
I want to have the place too dirty.
Okay, man.
Alright. Put that there. Now we have a 2 tablespoons of baking powder.
The one here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Drop that in there.
Chefy, you know your measurements, you know that.
Yeah, well, you have to know what to go in.
You sure he's not a drug dealer because the way y'all measure them something, I know, Brigitte. And the place look all nice. If you have a look at something, just tell me, you know, I look for one works, you know, Chefy.
I didn't drug nothing yet.
Alright, cool. Alright, do your thing, Brigitte.
Alright. Now then you have some dry active yeast. You can just add that right in here too.
Yeast? The only yeast we know about the girl them dog. We don't know is this type of yeast.
This is not yeast infection. This is yeast. Why are you smelling it for?
We don't know, brother. We don't know. Alright.
Oh, just drop it there. 2
Alright.
tablespoons of that.
Well, I'm have to feed this to my girl tonight, you know.
Oh, okay.
Because when her belly full,
That's where you
she'll get full up again. You know,
You promise me if she has a sister, you'll let me know.
Yeah, man. I have you. Don't worry.
Alright.
Alright.
You're making a mess.
Alright.
Alright, cool. So now drop the water.
Alright, see it there.
You can use a spoon too. Just mix it around.
Mix it up?
Yeah.
Alright. You know, Chefy, this vegan something is not so bad, you know.
Which one?
Whatever we're making here, that's all this. The dumpling.
No, not dumpling.
Brother, this is the same way we make dumpling, you know.
Oh.
So I don't know what you're talking about is dumpling. I don't know. You know, matter of fact, me hear one something the other day, you know. What you Trini people call guinnep.
What is Guinness?
Guinnep, dog.
You mean chenut?
It called guinnep.
What is Guinness?
Guinnep, the look of green something.
That is chenut.
Guinnep. You see, you're coming like them African people, you know, where I call it plantain, right?
This is plantain. Most people say plantain.
Right? It's plantain, right? Just like it's guinnep.
Well, first of all, I don't know what Guinness is. It's definitely chenut. And that's one of my favorite things to be honest, you know?
Sweetie?
Yeah, right.
Come on. That me I say.
Alright, that good too.
Yeah, look good.
Now, what you gotta do is just let this rest for about 20 to 30 minutes and then double in size. Okay.
Now my grandmother teach me them technique, you know, dog. But Chefy, if you see the girl with me get tonight, my G.
Well, show me a picture now.
Well, let me show you after this, you know,
Okay,
dog.
okay.
I did that just a chill in front of the building and I just see her, dog. I say, yo, are you are gonna be my future ex-wife, you know? If you see how the way she laugh, pretty smile, pretty skin, clean. And Chefy, if you see the ear well long, maybe I have to breed it, you know, Chefy.
Oh, it's all the way there, boy?
I don't know yet, but
okay.
The way the girl did bad.
Alright. Okay, well, we good to cook now.
Yeah.
Let me get right onto the stove. I'll heat up the oil.
Alright, Chefy. Cheers, you know, my G.
Cheers. Alright, so put a little eggplant. Alright. Okay, then mango chow.
You know how long me want some mango chow, you know? I ask my next Trini friend to make me some mango chow and how long me not get no mango chow.
Well, this is the best one you're gonna try.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, you tell me, yes. So I put a little bit of mango chow. You don't want to put too much because it'll be too sweet. Alright.
Ling, the thing that look bad, me not like.
Alright, and this one?
Man about the coleslaw and them
But this one is vegan coleslaw.
How you make that?
With vegan meal. Alright, put some of that on. Alright, now the most important part.
What is now?
Pepper. Here's the pepper.
Dog, what you talk to, man?
Well,
you talk to me, G.
I don't know how you always do it. I do it just like how I do, you know.
Me don't eat them local them ghost pepper, them local.
This is not
we know. Yeah, Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet.
Alright, see.
Alright, okay. This is garlic sauce. Again, though I put vegan meal so that way she got real. She can go into all of that.
Yeah, she got skin out tonight, you know, my G. Watch out, she got skin out when she tastes them something there.
Well, boy, remember the sister thing, huh?
Right, me.
Alright.
How about this now?
This is tamarind.
What? And this, you know, Ling.
Okay. Everything sweet. Alright. Close him. And then, if that don't get you to stay over, I don't know what will, man.
Well, I don't want her to stay over still after, you know?
Yeah.
After the dogo, she have to go. She have to cut. Because I don't know her like that.
Well, let me see the picture. Yes. All this whole time I cook it for she and you don't get to show me what she looks like.
Let me taste something.
Alright.
He's no chefy. All the thing fluffy, no blood clot. Not even she's so fluffy. Wow.
So what do you think? Alright, quiet. When you know it's quiet, it's good.
Chefy, let me show you the picture because me know said this, she want to get married after this, you know, dog.
Well,
Let me show you her Instagram, dog. Watch how she's sexy. Oh, look how she's nice. Look how she's sweet, my G. Look upon that. I need that tonight, you know.
hey, wait. That's my friggin' sister. Man, I know how y'all.
You sure that's your sister?
Yeah. I know how y'all Jamaican men does do. Yes, I don't want man. Yes. Nah.
So what, me can't get it? So what, Chef, you now give me the recipe, me G. We will take care of your sister, you know, dog.
Listen,
That is a good you, Chef.
Listen. Alright guys, thanks very much for coming back to this version of Live with Ling. Well, I try something new with my new friend, SeniorGumBoy.
Thank you guys, it was a pleasure for being here. You guys can check out my skits on YouTube, SeniorGumBoy, Instagram, everything. It was a pleasure, the food was delicious. Thank you.
Last thing I'm gonna say is thank you very much, West Hype, for setting up this wicked adventure that we did here today. And I'll see you next time. And
Peace.
like, subscribe, and all that thing, yes?
Everything. Do that. Down below. Comment.
Peace!
Later. Look at more. And it's dumpling.
Definitely. Fry bake, fry bake, fry bake.